Hi guys, wanted to make a short video for you to basically walk you through how to build a really strong online reputation, how to automate the request of reviews, and also ensure that you only get high quality 4 and 5 star reviews and you don't suffer from the negative effects of bad feedback and a bad review score. That whenever people are searching for your local business or your online business, they're searching Google, coming up on the local SEO, they see the top 3, top 5 competitors in the area, and they go into the one with the most 5 stars. I saw this in the most tangible manner going for a full English breakfast the other weekend with my girlfriend, and we tried 3 cafes. We were going about 11 a.m. and first one with the best 5 stars, we went full. Second one with the best 5 stars, we went full. Third one we could see other people in the same boat as us, walking around the street, searching Google, navigating to the same restaurants, and that one was full. So we went for a 3.8 in the end. Still nice. I digress. But here is how I've been able to get a really strong reputation, Dream Silk, and you can use this in various different marketing assets. Like I've got it on my checkout. It comes up when you search my brand on Trustpilot. I've also got really good reviews on Etsy. So I actually use a default automation because it's much easier to deliver my product to customers and ensure that it's high quality every time. But I'm also going to show you a method here so that you can filter out bad reviews and flag bad reviews as high priority, assign them to someone in your customer service team to address and reach out to and turn someone with a negative customer experience into a raving fan. You can go above and beyond to overturn their experience. So quickly, here's how it's going to work. If you've got a customer list CSV, you can download it, import it, or can help you do this. But basically, once you have contact in our system, developed a automation. So that automation works by once I press a couple buttons, it's going to add someone into the review request flow. So for instance, if you find the contact that you need, you just assign a tag to them. So let me do this now, review. And you can do this in bulk, by the way, you don't need to do it one by one, but I'm showing you here for demonstration purposes. So as you can see, that sent them a review email. Just keep this really simple. Sorry, this is the review email. How do we do? Would you mind giving us some feedback here? I've realized this contact I've made doesn't actually have a number. Let me show you with a contact that does have a number, because it also sends out an SMS. So this also gets delivered with the review request as long as they have a number, and you can set all sorts of delays, all sorts of retries. And once they click here, they're going to be greeted with a page. You can completely customize this however you like. Add images of your restaurant, of your business, however. But this is the smart part. Let's say most of your customers have a 3 to 4 star experience. Click on and it's redirecting them to Trustpilot, for instance. That's one I like to use. If you've got a restaurant, maybe you want to direct them to OpenTable, you can configure this exactly. And you can also just include this in the email body so that it skips a step basically. But if they have a negative experience, what happens if they click 1 star? Instead of going to your Trustpilot, they are directed to a private feedback form. So let's just say, I loved the product, but it was for a gift and the packaging came damaged. Obviously, this is in the context of Dream Silk, my e-commerce business that sells silk pillowcases and sleep masks, but this will be relevant for whether you have a local business or just got the lights back on, whether you have a local business or an online business. So let me click submit now. And here's the smart part. So you can have them direct here wherever you like. I've actually just got a notification on my phone saying that someone's left a review. And here you can put any sort of links. You could embed a video about your brand, discount code, a forward them on to any sort of other products you have or services. Here we've got a review coming in here. So basically, here is your opportunity to call this customer and resolve their complaint. So this gets assigned to someone in your customer service team. I'll show you how this automation works as well. So once that form is submitted, it's going to add a tag saying this customer has left a bad review, so you can filter at any point by disgruntled customers, add them to a pipeline, which was what I just showed you. So you've got bad reviews standing and resolved. Adds a note, assigns it to anyone in your team to deal with this, and a task to them also, and then actually sends them an email too. So here we go. We've received, thanks for sharing your feedback. Dreamsilt, a member of our team, will review and get back to you within the next 24 hours. So we've acknowledged their complaint and immediately just said someone's going to get back to them. We could also add a text here if needed. I think voicemail drop is something that could be really cool as well. Upload an MP3 saying 2 hours after they leave it, saying thank you so much for your feedback. I'm going to get one of our customer service team to reach out to you via email tomorrow to get this resolved for you. Or can be a lot more creative than that, but this is just the tip of the iceberg of what you can do to really streamline your customer experience. But I think biggest thing is just identifying your disgruntled customers and turning them into super fans, really, because our contacts here we can filter by, let's see, tag is bad review, and then just reach out to these people one by one, and even just call them straight from here, send them an email templates, you pull in some of your default customer service responses. That's really streamlined, but importantly, you've not got the bad review, which is going to be on Google or Trustpilot and or OpenTable. That's going to make other customers wary of trusting your business. That's it. If you want to get this set up in your business, I've got a template that you can set up for free for 30 days and give this a go yourself. So I'll leave the link below if you want to download it, and all the best.